Hi there, my name is Tim and welcome to the Adobe Photoshop Club for creatives. First thing you need to know is this course is designed for complete beginners. You don't need any previous knowledge of Photoshop, illustration, photography or design. This is a project-based course, which means you won't go into every single tool in exhausting detail. Instead, what we're going to do is focus on fun, inspiring, artistic projects that really get you involved in learning Photoshop in an effortless way. As the title implies, this is a club, meaning that it's not a standalone course, so you won't ever feel abandoned with your learning. I will always be there. I intend this to be the only Photoshop course I'm going to create, with tutorials added each month. I've been using Photoshop for over 20 years on a daily basis, both as a freelancer on magazines, corporate publications, designing for the web, and publishing my own art technique books, which has been a passion of mine for many years. I'm here to ensure that you have the very best experience of learning Photoshop, with high quality films, resources, and step-by-step guidance on comprehensive downloadable worksheets. This club will be divided into various sections, each of which will gradually grow as I add new tutorials for my students in the physical world and those of you in the virtual world. The sections are going to include a Photoshop Essentials. Then there's going to be an art history section, which I've had great fun making, and in this section I want you to be inspired by artists from the whole of the history of art to get you inspiration on how to create your Photoshop renders. So in one of these projects we're going to be inspired by Henri Rousseau and Eric Carle, and I'm going to get you to paint paper, scan it in so we create a streaky brush texture, and then we're going to render and create a jungle inspired scene. Then we're going to move on, we're going to create a Victorian natural historian's desk inspired by the chiaroscuro art techniques of Caravaggio. We're going to be looking at Acrimboldo and creating some vegetable monsters. Then we'll move on to an architectural illustration section. There'll be a typographic section, pattern making. There's even be a merchandising section where I'm going to show you how to put your images onto ceramics. There's going to be a whole bunch of professional projects, the typical thing that you'd need to present in a portfolio. So there'll be magazine covers and brochures and all sorts of things coming up. So throughout this course we'll learn not only how to enhance images, but how to create them from scratch by compositing images together. Additionally, we're going to explore working with handcrafted artwork. I'm going to show you how to digitize your own personal drawings and sketches and make them look as bright and clear as possible, just ready for publication. You'll learn to magically alter backgrounds or remove unwanted objects and people. By the end of this course, you will become a Photoshop master, including knowing how to mask hair and all those mysterious keyboard shortcuts. You'll learn all the essential tools and tricks to achieve images effortlessly and all to a professional level. There's going to be a section on understanding and learning about creating images for print and those for web, and you'll learn about all the different colour modes and the professional language that goes along with them. Throughout this course you're going to have access to exercise files to be able to work alongside me. I'm also going to include my example that you can pick apart and compare it with your own. I'm going to assign you practice exercises to reinforce your Photoshop learning, and you'll discover tickable activity boxes on the worksheets so you can stay on track. So whether you're brand new to Photoshop or just struggling with the basics, follow along with me and I'll guide you in creating beautiful and imaginative images. Try to introduce your own ideas and adapt the projects to make them a little bit personal and unique. Okay, I really look forward to seeing your design work in the chat. So let's get started.